Hey y'all, LA Gentleman's in the house. Come to pick up the remix of the 2.0 scenario. He had the old get down as we saw in the previous part of the video. So man, is it hot down there? Or is it, what's the weather like that, man? I know you in the inner city somewhat, but I know you can see it all going down around you.
It's hot.
It's hot?
It's hot, smoky, and the flames is definitely moving.
And they said y'all ain't had no rain in 275 days.
It's dry.
It's dry.
The city is dry.
So
the
when
valleys is dry.
So was there any issues around the airport area when you caught the plane back?
Airport was clear. Didn't have no problem with that. It's once you get further west.
Oh, up by the 405, by the
405, 101.
Up that area, yeah. That's what I saw when I was looking at it. So I know a little bit of geography of that area.
Now you got the Hollywood Hills is going.
Yeah.
Santa Monica is being touched on.
They're saying Altadena going down. Yeah. Now, is there a black presence in Altadena?
Who?
In Altadena, is black people live over there?
Yes.
Yeah, because I had people from that lived in there back in the day, and I was like, wondering, are we still in that part of town? I know we wasn't in Pasadena, but we was in Altadena, the outskirts.
Right next door.
Yeah, right next door when the hill's starting to go up the hill.
That's
So
right.
my cousin lived over there, and I meant to look up their house where they used to live, see if it's still standing. But I was going to ask my cousin because he's out in Moreno Valley now, and I was going to ask him about that. But
it's unfortunate, man. We lost, we've lost some of our MC members have lost houses up there.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Yeah, I saw one brother trying to keep his low-lows alive. He back there with a water hose, and the fire department was next door. He trying to say his 59, his 6'4", and his 6'6", and ain't nobody heard back how it went down. Some people lost, had their cars in backyards, their own backyard shops and whatnot, and the smoke is getting closer and closer.
Closer and closer.
Well, let me get a light over here, and I can show you what's going on with it. Hold on.
Yeah.
So basically, we like shake your dash now. Your dash is a lot tighter now.
Yeah.
Because before it was wobbling. That's why I showed you when I saw it opened up. I said, man, something going on with that. Okay, we upgraded your grills over there with the water protection on here, and there. That's why you can't see the speakers anymore because they hid now because the water can't get to you. Same with your lids. We brought your lids back to life, and we did those. And this is the bag where we had, hold your light, where we had the previous amplifier at. So now you got more bag space. One disconnect right there, and same on the other side like that. From there, now turn it off. Let me show you something. Take it all the accessory, young man. Yeah, your previous flash drive, they wasn't the best quality on the sound, in my opinion. So I said, let me
add a little flavor.
Yeah, add a little flavor. Oh, and I got your lights working right. They stay on now. And so how this works pretty much is, if there was a there was a short over a cigarette lighter where they was hooked up at. I saw that too, amongst other things I noticed as I was working.
You did your thing.
Yeah,
like you do.
If I see it, I'm gonna touch on it.
Don't touch on it.
Okay, so what you listen to right now is the highway setup, and I'm gonna show you the difference between the two. So when you're on the freeway, you can't hear your 6x9s at all. It's in the bass part. On the street level, below 45 or so, you can hear all that. Everybody else can hear it all. When you're out there on the freeway, ain't nobody hearing that. So the only thing you really listening to is the upper speakers here.
Correct.
So with the highway setup it's just the upper speakers playing by itself. So get your volume where you want it at right here. Then bring in the bass right there. Twist the knob right there. Really? So when you're on the freeway, you shut it down. Hand controls working again. I don't know. What is it?
I know one thing. Hey. She's back when I was a child.
So
she's back.
So
before life removed.
It got a little more bass on there if you want to. Whatever you feel comfortable with. It goes to a certain point, but just keep it loud and clear. If I tell people, loud and clear.
And dance with my mother.
What else? What else we got on here? Let me see something. So I felt your other reason why I changed that flash drive, because I felt it wasn't doing you justice, and so I said, let me give my man a fresh hookup and let him hear what I hear.
I tell you what, when you want it done right, you got to come to the right spot.
Okay, I hear you. I hear you. I hear you. You know, all I can do is show and prove. Let him hear what you hear. Let him see what you see.
We're changing with time, baby.
Oh yeah, all day, every day, upgrade all the time.
Upgrade. I had to get it done because some of my brothers is in Detroit.
I'm
coming for you.
So we come. So you be ground pounding, man?
I'll be in Detroit in June.
Man, what's the farthest you and ground pounding, man? Tell me something about that.
Shit. Cleveland.
Cleveland? Okay. What was the event?
National.
Okay.
Roundup for gentlemen.
Okay,
Yeah,
for sure.
Every 5 years we have an event somewhere. So this year's the Mama chapter in Detroit, and we'll be there in June.
Okay.
And this bike took me there 5 years ago.
So you gonna run it back?
Back.
But you said you got a new one. So
I got a new one. This is her last ride for the road.
Okay, last one. Is she gonna be local after that?
She's gonna be local.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what's your best experience or advice you can give to someone who's out there getting yonder, as people down south call it? What can you say is the best things they need to have going on? You know what I'm saying?
First, you just got to be able to ride your ride. First and foremost. You know, you're getting a group with other cats, and everybody don't ride the same. So stay in your lane, pretty much.
Yeah.
But make sure you know, be ready for the weather change, because that's something that really sets us back.
Okay.
Is that, you know, you get in the heat, and some of us can't handle the heat, and that slows us down. So
yeah.
Take care of your body when you know you're ready to get out on the highway, man. You got to take care of your body. Hydrate.
Okay.
Water.
What do you say about bike maintenance? What do they need to know about their bike?
You gotta touch on her. If you ain't touching on your baby, you're gonna have issues out there.
Yeah.
That's real talk.
And you're gonna shut down the whole group.
Shut down the whole group.
And some people gonna be mad. Ain't gonna understand it. You had same much preparation time I had, but look at you out here with this ball tie. Look at you out here with this bad clutch.
Believe it.
Yeah.
It's gonna happen.
Yeah.
It's gonna happen.
It's happened even to the newer bikes. But you know, it's best to put your best foot forward and be ready when you get out there. So you know you can. So it won't be you that's holding up the scenario.
Exactly.
You know.
You don't want to be that one.
Yeah, you don't want to be that guy. And that being said, live and direct money stereo installation. Just letting y'all see what I see. He's out of here.
LA gentleman, baby, in the house.
Caught a plane. I had to get him. When you gonna ride him back home?
Oh, I'm riding in the morning time.
Okay, riding so you can see what's going on. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And we out of here.
That's it.
All right, dude. For sure.